How to report someone on Bumble. Encountered someone behaving inappropriately on Bumble. Let's report them safely. Open Bumble app and go to the chat screen by tapping the bubble icon at bottom. Select the conversation with the person you want to report. Tap the three dot menu in the top right corner of the chat. Choose Unmatch and Report. Pick a reason for the report, such as spam, harassment, fake profile, inappropriate content, or any other issue. Select the appropriate reason again. You can add more detail and tap Submit Report, and Bumble's team will review the report. The user will be blocked immediately so they cannot contact you anymore. Reporting is anonymous, so the person will never know who reported them. That's it. You have successfully reported someone on Bumble, keeping this community safe and positive. Thanks for watching. If this guide helps, hit like and subscribe and check out more Bumble tutorials. Catch you in the next one.